Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Honor. You need to begin by accessing Calendar app. Now tap on the date that you wish to set up and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. You can also set up location, pick starting hour and ending one. If you wish to, you can always disable this feature as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Tap on one of your accounts, take notes, and even choose repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just click on never. Now save your event by choosing checkmark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it and tap on edit at the bottom in the middle. Then make your changes. In order to discard them, click on X at the top left corner and tap on discard. If you wish to save them though, If you wish to save them, you need to tap on save over here in this pop-up or select checkmark again. If you wish to get rid of your event, you need to tap on delete at the bottom right corner of it and choose delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!